Hi guys, today I'm doing a quick video to show you how to stake large peonies after they bloom. Peonies are one of my favorite flowers, but they almost always flop over because the flowers are so heavy. Normally, you should stake your peonies in early spring while they're small, before they get too big for the garden ring to fit in. It becomes impossible to put the stake in when they get big. However, I'm a procrastinator and somehow never get my act together to stake my peonies in early spring. So I'm usually stuck with having to stake these floppy peony flowers every year. Here's how I stake peonies after they bloom. First, I use tomato garden cages. They work pretty well. Plus, I can reuse it later this summer for my tomatoes. I don't see the need to buy special stakes just for peonies. I know they're not as pretty as staking and using strings to make the stake look invisible, but I'm honestly just too lazy to be tying peonies with strings. I take the easy route when it comes to staking peonies. Just get the tomato garden cage in. I always worry about damaging the roots, but I do this every year and my peonies turn out okay. It's not that easy to get the stake in the ground, but you'll eventually get it in. Next, I use twist ties. Twist ties are great because you can easily attach the peony to the tomato cage, like this. And that's it! It's not too difficult to stake peonies after they bloom, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more gardening videos like this. Thanks for watching!